Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Maths Online Classes, Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Beena, your Maths teacher. I hope all of you well at home, isn't it? Okay, we are discussing about properties of parallelograms, and we learn and we know some properties of parallelograms. So some properties are given as theorems in your textbook. So you have to study all these properties and we need to apply these properties in practical problems. Okay. So in this video, today's video, we are going to discuss about the problems based on these properties of parallelograms belongs to the same exercise 8.1. Okay, I hope all of you are attending all the classes, and students, please practice all these problems after attending each class. Okay, then bye, see you, take care, thank you all. 8.1 question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square and diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So listen to the question. ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. And diagonal AC bisects angle A and angle C. Bisects means divided into two equal parts. So let us take this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. So AC bisects angle A means angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. And similarly, AC bisects angle C means these two angles are equal. Okay. So we have angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. It is given. Now, look at these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So in these two triangles, listen, AC side is common. Okay, AC side is common. So listen, angle 1, angle 3 and AC side belongs to this triangle ABC. Angle 2, angle 4 and AC side is contained in triangle ADC. So we have two angles and included side. Therefore, by ASA congruence rule, we can say that ABC triangle and ADC triangles are congruent to each other. Now, apply CP-CT rule here. By CP-CT rule, AB side is equal to AD side. Put it as equation number 1. Okay. So listen, in these two triangles ABC and ADC, we proved by ASA these two triangles are congruent to each other, and therefore by CP-CT rule AB side is equal to AD side. Now listen, it is given that ABCD is a rectangle. What is a rectangle? What is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides, here opposite sides are AB and CD. So AB equal to CD. Similarly, these two sides, AD equal to BC. Now we proved AB equal to AD. So combine all these three results. So let's start with AB. AB equal to CD. Okay, this AB is equal to DA or AD and AD is equal to BC. Look at here, AB, BC, CD, AD. All the sides are equal implies ABCD is a square. And rectangle means all the angles are also 90 degree. So there is no need to prove all the angles equal to 90. It's already given. We need to prove all sides are equal only. Okay. So listen, AC diagonal bisects angle means consider these two equal angles and similarly these two. So in this triangle ABC, we have two angles and included side. Therefore, by ASA congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other and apply CP-CT rule. we get AB equal to AD. So connecting with rectangles, properties of rectangle, we get all the sides are equal. So this is our first one. Now second one, we need to prove the diagonal BD bisects angle B and angle D. That we need to prove. Okay, BD bisects angle B and angle D. So we have ABCD is a square, name ABCD. It is a square. Draw the diagonal BD. We need to prove BD bisects angle B. That is, these two angles are equal. Let us take 1 and 2. And prove these two angles are equal. Let us take 3 and 4. Okay, to prove this, let us take these two triangles, ABD triangle and BCD triangle. Listen, in this triangle, AB side is equal to CB side. Okay, AB and CB are equal. AD side equal to these two sides, AD equal to DC and BD equal to BD. BD is the common side. So we have three sides, and therefore by SSS congruence rule, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Okay, now apply CPCT rule here. By CPCT rule, see the angle ABD corresponds to here angle CBD. Now look at the figure. What is angle ABD? ABD means this angle. Angle ABD. And what is angle CBD? This angle. Okay. So we prove these two angles are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 means BD diagonal bisects angle B. Similarly, what is the angle corresponds to ADB? From here, ADB, here CDB. So ADB angle equal to CDB. Now look at here. ADB means this angle. CDB means this one. So these two angles are equal. That is angle 3 equal to angle 4. That is the same diagonal BD bisects angle D. So this is our proof. BD diagonal bisects angle B as well as angle D. Question number 10. ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are the perpendiculars from vertices A and C in its diagonal BD. Show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD and AP is equal to CQ. See the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram and we have a diagonal BD. And listen, AP and CQ are two perpendiculars on this diagonal BD. Perpendiculars means these two angles are 90 degree. We need to prove triangle APB. What is a triangle APB? This one. Triangle APB and triangle CQD. These two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. So listen, in these two triangles, angle 1 and angle 2. These two angles are alternate angles because AB and CD are parallel. BD is transversal. Therefore, these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal because of alternate angles. And listen, AB side and CD side. These two sides are equal because ABCD is a parallelogram. And listen, angle APB and angle CQD. These two angles are 90 degree. Okay. So we have two angles and listen, two angles and one side. Okay. So two angles and one side. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD. Okay, therefore by AAS, any two angles and included, not included side, any side of one triangle, then these two triangles are congruent to each other. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, then APB angle equal to angle CQD, and AB equal to CD. So we have two angles and one side. Okay, two angles and one side. Therefore, by AAS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD. Now apply CPCT rule here. We can see that AP and CQ are equal. That's our second part. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Consider the alternate angles, 90-degree angles and the opposite side. So by two angles and a side, AAS congruence rule, we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other.